Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, let's get these speakers off of the couch, the corners of the couch, and let's put them on some nice stands. These are the Sonos Era 300 speakers, but these speaker stands will also work with the Era 100s as well. I got them in the white color, so let's go ahead and hook this up and we'll place these next to the couch without having to have these on the couch. Everything came very well packaged. Let's go ahead and dive on into this and let's go ahead and put it together. Alrighty, if you have the ERA 100s, there's no need to put the adapter. I'm just gonna call it on the top right there. And we're gonna show you all the skinny, don't you worry about that one. But since I have the ERA 300s, I'm gonna have to use this little, I'm just gonna call it adapter for the top portion here. Alrighty, got one up and we're looking absolutely fantastic. So let me show you here. They do come with a cable management tie as well. All white, looking very beautiful, being able to match the speaker just beautifully there. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. This is where your two screws go in right there on the bottom into the ERA 300. And what's really nice is that to protect my floor, there are some pads down here at the bottom. They're very thin on the bottom of the stand. Alrighty, each speaker does come with two of those cord management little ties there. So I got one there, one down at the bottom. Also, I want to show you that you want to mount, especially with your ERA 300s, you want the bracket to look like this underneath before you do screw it in, the two screws on the bottom. So look at how it's beautiful. There's no gap there. And we're going to show you some adjustable heights here in just a second. But what I love already about these, not only do they look good and match my speakers, but let's say that right there, boom. Making slight adjustments, especially if you want it loud, if you want it more centered in towards you on the couch like this, or if you're like, it's a little over the top, let me go ahead and bring it this way. Or if it's really over the top, then you can do it this way, especially if you have extra seating over here, etc. There's my pup, but let's go ahead and show you some adjustable sizes with these now. Alrighty, once again, this is the lowest setting, as you can see here, right over my shoulder here, and the one in the corner there. What's is nice is that, let's say someone bumps up against the couch, you're not going to worry about the speaker falling over. With the speaker stands, looks cleaner over there in the corner as well. Now eventually, I am putting the flooring in right now. Probably what I will do, because this is kind of the main traffic area, so I'm probably just going to tuck this speaker stand behind the couch, and so it's not like right over here in the corner. Now eventually this couch will be pushed all the way over, and so that speaker stand will go up against the little kind of hutch, little decorative area over there. Overall, they're very, very nice. I like what I'm seeing so far, especially with the adjustable tops like that. Let's go show you mid-length and the highest they go for a couch like this. This is a deep couch, if you are wondering, as in, like normal-ish height, but like deep back. It's just you're seated, deep, like a pit couch type thing. Okay, so real simple to do it. You just unscrew these little top plastic portions right here, making sure that your cable management is loosened. And that is the highest it goes right there. I don't think you would want it that high, but if you did, especially if you have these ERA or ERA 100s, not behind a couch, like in a gym, etc., you might be able to want that. So as you can see, that is the lowest setting. This is the highest setting here. Look at how far above it is. Again, for a gym, you might want that height. Now let's show you the mid-length, and then you just tighten that back up right there. I'm pretty sure that's about mid-length right there. But as you can see, the different height aspects right there. I probably most likely will have it on the lower setting myself. I just like to be within like earshot level right there. Put on your cable management and you're good to go. But once again, love this, how it's twirly burbly. And I do like, I think even the picture on the listing actually had the plastic things is black, but I'm actually very pleased that there is no black on the stand. It's all white. So again, like everything we've already discussed in the video, these speaker stands are a thumbs up in my book for my ERA 300 speakers. Well, folks, again, top link in the description box below will be these speaker stands. Again, they come in black and white, as well as I'll pin them in the pinned comment below. Thank you guys for your time. My name's Chris. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Your links are below. I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.